Dance Universe. This is Rocco.
Hello, I'm Denise from Calista.
At kami ang magkaduo para sa episode 2 ng Stars on the Floor.
Yeah!
Alam ko, medyo hulas na itsura ko, pero kinakaya ko pa.
Kaya-kaya pa yan ni Kuya Rocco.
Let's talk about challenges.
Hello, guys!
Hi, Coach!
Hi, Denise. Okay, excited ako actually sa pairing niyo for this episode.
Talaga?
Oo.
Strength ba namin to?
Nako, eto na nga yun. So, yung story ng gagawin yung pyesa, it's really an open choreography. So, ang maganda niyan, we're not limited to just one style. We're open to really including a lot of elements, hip-hop, textures, dynamics, wordplay, a lot of it. But really for this one, it's more of storytelling. Okay. So it's heavy on your characters bilang isang suspect at bilang isang investigator.
Okay.
So doon iikot ang eksena natin. As I have said, it's very heavy on storytelling. So I need you guys to be in character the entire piece and to be very animated.
Sobrang challenging din sa part ko naman sa pag-act kasi yung theme na binibigay sa amin, yung character na kailangan namin i-portray dun sa piece na binubuo namin as an investigator. Yes! So, ayun. Nadala din ako sa acting skills ni Kuya Rocco. So, todo acting din ako. Ganyan. Kasi syempre, actor si Kuya Rocco. So,
I think one of your strengths, of course, Kuya Rocco, as a very good actor.
Wow.
madadala na ako ni Kuya Rocco.
Ba't ako yung masama?
Kaya mo bang maging suspect?
Isa lang.
Parang nakakatakot maging investigator si Kuya Rocco.
Ay, parang mapipilitan na lang ako.
Oo. So dahil nga, open choreography siya, guys, the choreo na binigay ko sa inyo is kind of challenging to execute. But yun yung magiging beauty of it. Because how you execute it, how you give life to the piece, and how you put your character will really give the storytelling. So kailangan maging committed tayo. Are you guys ready to be committed today?
Ready!
Ready? Mas maraming acting ba dito kaysa ano?
Balance of both.
Okay.
So I hope na ready tayo. Okay.
Nagpapasahan lang talaga kami ng energy ni Kuya Rocco. So, naging madali talaga yung process nung first rehearsals namin.
Kuya! Sabay ganun. Okay. Coming from here, umpisa natin yung choreo. 5, 6, I'll take it from dog. Dog. Rehearsal na talaga to, guys.
Okay.
Ready? 5, 6, 7, and dug. Ito na yon. Ay, silok pa pala. 6, 7.
Ituturo mo muna or?
Hindi. Ano na, gawa na.
Okay.
5, 6, 7, and sharp. Ta, 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 ka, ka. Let's center. 2, 3, 4. Sharp. Okay. Ito lang again, avoid doing this big as in sharp. I need that one to be absorbed talaga.
What I found challenging was definitely the skill na meron si Denise na lagi niya to ginagawa. Ako naman, kunyari pag may all-out Sundays, doon lang kami sasayaw. So, getting into it, getting into character, kaya naman, pero yung pag-match ka ng power and skill, even though mas matangkad daw sa kanya, para mas malaki pa rin siya sumayaw. So,
Ten, 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 wala, wala, ten, ten, and drr, ta, 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 pum, 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 chest pop, ta, ta, out, it, ka, tug. Nice, good.
doon ako natakot at hopefully totoo yung sinasabi ni Coach Angel na match naman kami
Yes.
in terms of skill. Ikaw ba?
Ayun, kailangan talaga din double work.
1 and 2, ta, ta, shake, ka, scoop, tuloy, up and ka, up,
Whew! Grabe experience ko dito sa Stars on the Floor. Hindi ko akalain na ganito pala ka-demanding. And honestly, nakausap ko na sila Rojon, sila Glyza, sila Dasuri, at nagpakwento talaga ako ng, what to expect. Pero natuwa ako na na-excite sila para sa akin. Kasi mga nakasama ko yan sa Sayaw Pilipinas nung meron pa kaming Party Pilipinas. Ano ba yun? Shucks, nakalimutan.
So good, kasi nalagay nyo na yung character.
Una, akala ko parang magiging awkward siya sa akin. Pero buti yung breakdown mo tama eh. Ito muna yung legs ha.
Diba?
Okay, nagagawa.
Period. Kaya. Ano lang din, syempre nga kasi some of the movements bago sa katawan nyo. So it will take some time to get used to that kind of movement since this is an open choreography.
Okay.
Ganon.
kunyari, nagsasayaw nga ako sa social media, yung mga comments sa mga tao, oh, Tito Moves, Tito Moves. Kaya parang nakaka-degrade minsan. Pero nakakapikon din. So minsan, nagagamit ko siya as a challenge. Parang inisip ko na, pwede ko siguro gamitin as a challenge na not to prove the people, commenting, pero to prove to myself that I still have what it takes na porke pamilyado na ako, tigil na ako sa mga ganito. Kuha na natin agad
Period.
Ay, sabo naman.
Honestly, when I'm teaching you guys the choreo, smooth yung proseso natin.
Ayoko talaga kasi umacting. So, parang sobrang bago niya sa akin. And, ayun, nagagawa ko pala siya. I think. So, ayun, sobrang bago niya talaga sa akin. And nagugulat ako na nagagawa ko pala siya. So, sabi ni Coach Angel na parang, sobrang ganda nung piece nyo kasi napoportray nyo yung character na binibigay ko sa inyo. So, maganda yung piece na nabibigay namin sa kanya.